Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP. Once again, thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So there was a little bull flag last week that I gave you that's eventually broke out and met the technical target. I'll show you. So I think that XRP is just slowly going upstairs, isn't it? You know, it doesn't mean we can't come in for a deeper retracement. As long as we hold support, we're looking at continuation. I do think that XRP is trying to get to that dollar price tag, you know, and it might potentially do something like this and break out and then come back for a deeper retracement with the entire crypto market just there. Okay, so we're looking slowly but surely the balls go up the stairs, and if you remember, I think as we got really close to this apex here, like I said to you, get a reaction. You broke out and then everyone thought it was a bit of a fake out. You came back, but you held this support, okay, this previous resistance. You back test and turn it support, so you're confirming this breakout just there, falling back into support, and you continuing. So you know, there's all little patterns within patterns, and just there was a little potential bull flag. Do you remember this little pattern that we spotted? And I made it on the thumbnail, I think last week. When was that? That was, where was it? Yeah, about 11th of March. I uploaded it, little bull flag. And just there, you know, we're broken out the bull flag. Just like you come up, you got your little coming back. Oh no, it's going to zero. You held support and you broke out, fell back to the resistance of this flag, and eventually look where you've come to. You know, so it's a beautiful opportunity to trade the ranges, basically. And I think that was the thumbnail title at the time, trade the ranges. And you know, these are all tradable events. So right now you've met that technical target, fantastic. And right now you're beginning to retrace a little bit here, which is normal. You know, the balls go up the stairs, which is not. It's just the part and process of actually getting to the larger technical target, which is this, which essentially, you know, is the very similar target of what we've just got to, a smaller little bull flag. You know, this is potentially one big bull flag like that, coming back in this channel, broken resistance, falling back to support, breaking out, you know. And equally, you've got this sort of horizontal, got really close to the apex. You've got a inverse head and shoulders pattern just there as well, where you've got a neckline just there, breaking out, fall back to support, and eventually get to the target. Everyone wants this today or tomorrow. You know, these things take time. Technical targets take time to get to them. And how do you invalidate them? You invalidate them by losing support, coming back into the pattern, and creating throwbacks, or losing this low just there, because this is the head. So invalidate this inverse head and shoulders pattern with a technical break target of $1 plus, then you lose the head basically. You're not doing it yet, so you're still in a technical target to the upside. Like I said to you so many times, the pattern that's in play is valid until invalidated away, and at the moment that is your technical target. So I'm sorry it's not getting there immediately, or today or tomorrow. It might do, you know, if we get a little pullback to the EMAs and explode, breakout, the level of support, because at the moment you can see you're breaking out, okay, you're falling back into the EMAs, and they're offering golden opportunities and entry points. So right now you run into this technical target, this little flag, we've called up, broke out. Right now, if you do start to come back, the EMAs again could offer an amazing opportunity for you that are not involved in XRP to hold that support and start to come back up and eventually get into that target. You know, so let's say, for example, we do come in for a little bit of a correction there, and we do come back to the EMAs and we get fruitful on the 55. Currently, the 55 sits at 77 cents. So, you know, from here, with a tight stop loss of this high, you could be in for a lovely little short around about 5.9%. At that point, you know, open a lovely little long off the 55 EMA. Because at that point, you start to come back up and you've got a potential 30% long opportunity in front of you. So this is what I do. You know, I teach you to trade the ranges. Always use stop losses. That's basically XRP. Slowly but surely, the balls go up the stairs, and this is my target that I'm looking at. And I do think that, you know, if everything works out lovely, you've got your left shoulder, you've got your big head just there, and then the potential right shoulder like that, and you've got a whopping inverse head and shoulders pattern like this. Look, so you've got your left shoulder, then you've got your head, and then you're coming into resistance right there. You come back for a deeper retracement with the rest of the market, and then you start to break out. You've got your beautiful inverse head and shoulders pattern, you know, which potentially gives you a breakout target. And we just measured that as a rough guide from there to there. You know, you're looking at a whopping continuation, a breakout wherever it is, May or whatever. You know, boom, you're up there, and you're getting your retracement to this high, and you flip bullish, and this was your low. This is what we're looking for, you know. The balls go up the stairs, but one thing we do need to see here for XRP is break this high. This is a very, very strong level of resistance right now, you know. And essentially what you could do, you know, you're breaking out of here, you're falling in support, and you're slowly going up the stairs here. You could again run into that resistance at some point and start to come back and create, look, a cup and handle pattern like that. You come back, oh no, it's rolling. You get a little falling wedge pattern like that, and then you break out, and you might even break that level of resistance, and this might be the point at which you start to go parabolic, and this was your foundational low, and you've got this beautiful new channel now that you're sort of conforming inside of, looking to go parabolic here for XRP, which would be amazing, wouldn't it? We've all been waiting for so long. But anyway, that's XRP. You know, that's a bit of hopium right there, but slowly but surely we're going up the stairs here. We're meeting these technical targets as we're going up, you know, and if we can fall back to support and hold these key levels of support, these EMAs, again, fantastic opportunities in this new uptrend that we do find ourselves in for XRP. Hope you enjoyed that little update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned, and thank you for support. Okay, take care everyone. Back soon with another update on XRP. Bye bye.